Hello friends, welcome you to Mohan's classes. Today we are going to learn about nouns. We know that there are 9 parts of speech and among them the first one is noun. So in this class we are going to discuss what is a noun and what are the different types of nouns we are going to discuss in this class. So without wasting much time, let us begin our topic nouns. Nouns. Definition. Noun names a person, place, or thing. What is a noun? The definition is noun names a person, place, or things. Or if you say in another sense or another way, that means what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, or things. That means any name. It may be a name of a person, it may be a name of a place, or name of a thing. That is called a noun. Let us discuss thoroughly. Name of person or animal. Particular names such as Hari, James, Nitu, Mary. These are the name of particular person. Next, relationship such as father, mother, brother, sister. Professional name or profession such as doctor, teacher, nurse, etc. Names of animal such as dog, cow, elephant. Names of birds like crow, parrot, sparrow, etc. Next, names of worms like animals, crab, cobra, fly, spider, etc. So, these are what some of the nouns. That means names of person or animal. What is our definition? A noun names a person, place, or thing. Noun names a person, place, or things. So, these are the what some of the example of name of person and animal. Next, name of place. We discuss now what? Name of person, animal. Second thing what? Name of place. Look at here. Proper place such as colony, village, city, district, state, country, we can say Noida, Delhi, India. These are the what proper place. That means name of place. Next, workplace such as school, hospital, house, etc. Name of building such as Nirman Bhavan, Ramesh House, etc. So these are the what name of place. So next is name of things. Things that are 7. All living things such as what? Pen, book, bed, clock. Next, river such as the Gangas, the Mahanadi, the Yamuna, etc. Next, names of season. Okay, seas such as the Caspian Sea, the Red Sea, the Dead Sea, the Sea of Galilee, etc. These are the what? Name of things. Understood? As we learn the definition, noun what? Noun names a person, place, or thing. From here, we learn about name of what? Person or animal. Next, we learn name of place. Next, we learn name of things. So, hope all of you understood what is a noun actually. What is a noun? Noun names a person, place, or thing. Or we can say in a normal way, any name of a place, person, or thing is called a noun. Next, you see name of ocean such as what? The Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, etc. Name of mountain, the Himalaya, the Alps, etc. We can say things that perceive with other sense such as what? Scent, taste, touch, feel. These are also what? Noun. Things that are abstract such as belief, idea, laughter, judgment, kindness, gentleness, mercy. These are also what? Some of the noun. Helpful hints. whatever can be seen with eyes can be a noun. Understood? Whatever can be seen with eyes can be a noun. That means whatever we see in our eyes, everything is a noun. There are also some nouns that can't be seen. There are some nouns, okay, which can't be seen, which we will review in a later chapter. Understood? That we will discuss in the later chapter. So what is the helpful ends? That means whatever we can see, those things are a single noun. Even there are some things, okay, which can't be seen, they are also what? A noun. Example, you see that judgment, okay, kindness, only we can feel all these things. Understood? Or you can see like scent, taste, touch, these things, okay, can't be seen, so such kinds of things also be a noun. Now let us discuss kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. Altogether there are 5 kinds of nouns. Understood? There are 5 kinds of noun. What are that? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Understood? There are 5 kinds of noun. First one is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun, fourth is material noun, and fifth is abstract noun. Now let us discuss each kinds of noun particularly. So first of all, let us discuss proper noun. So what is a proper noun? Look at the definition. A proper noun is the particular or official name of a particular or specific person, place, or thing. Understood? What is a proper noun? It is a particular or official name of a person, place, or thing. Listen carefully. What is a proper noun? It is a particular or official name of a person, place, or thing. Let us go through some of the example. Like a person's name, particular person's name or official names, like Jesus, James, John, etc. Or you can say nationalities like Indian, African, Philippine, etc. Next, particular place, Hyderabad, New Delhi, Orissa. Or you can say particular buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the India Gate. Particular religions, Hinduism, Christianity, etc. So these are what? Name of particular or official name of person, place, or things. If you say Indian, it is an official name or particular name. Or you can say Hyderabad, there is no other name for Hyderabad because it is the official name. Or you can say Taj Mahal, it is the official name, it is the particular name. So what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the particular or official name of a particular or specific person, place, or things. Hope all of you understood what is actually proper noun. Let us look some more example. Particular rivers like the Gangas, the Yamuna, the Godavari, etc. Next, name of names of days and months like Sunday, Monday, January, March. These are also what? Official or the particular name. Particular mountains, lakes, seas, and oceans. Example: the Himalayas, Chilka Lake, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Oceans, etc. These are also what? Particular or official names of mountain, lakes, and oceans. Next, names of books, newspaper, magazines, seasons, and planet. Example: the Bible, the Hindu, Sunday, December, Mercury, etc. These are also what? Particular or official name of what? Books, newspaper, magazine, seasons, and planets. Next, note: proper nouns always begin with capital letter. Understood? Proper noun always begin with capital letter. The second kind of noun is common noun. It is what? Common noun. Let us go to the definition. Common noun refers to a general category. Understood? Common noun refers to a general category. This name may be said by everyone on the same class or group. This name may be said by everyone or the same class or group. So, what is common noun? It refers to a general category. Refers to a general category. The following nouns are common nouns. So, we will learn better through the example. Names said among person. Names said among person. Example: man, woman, boy, girl. You see, man. Man means what? All the men. Woman means all the women. What happened? It is general category. It is a general category. Next, names of relationship like a father, mother, brother, sister. Father means all the father. Mother means what? Mother all. We are taking in the general sense or general category. We can see what? Professional names. Example: doctor, teacher, lawyer, pastor. So it can be any doctor, any teacher, because it is what? A common name from all the doctor, common name for all the teacher, and common name for all the lawyer. Names of animals like dog, cat, rabbit, etc. Or you can say names of what? Reptiles, insect, and worms like cobra, mosquito, etc. These are what? Common name. Cobra means what? All the cobra. And mosquito means what? All the mosquito. Because it has common name for everyone. So, what is common noun? It refers to a general category. That means the name may be shared by everyone of the same class or group. Next, commonplace. Names said by places. Example: colony, village, city, etc. Next, names said by the place of work like a hospital, factory, etc. So here we learn that common person. Next is what? Common place. Third is common thing. Names said by the things in common like furniture, part of body, clothing, house articles, ornaments, jewels, musical instrument, cereals and eatable, spices, minerals, trees and their parts, flower and fruits, vegetables, tools, stationery items, means of transportation. So not in particular such in Rajdhani Express or Samta Mail. So these are what? Name of the things. These are name of the things. All the above names are said in common by everything in its particular class or group respectively. From this page and from this page, we learn that common name of person, place and things. So what happened? It is said that all the above names are said in a common by everything in its particular class or groups respectively. Notes: sometimes proper nouns are also used as a common noun. Understood? Sometimes proper noun also used as a common noun. Example: Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Next, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. In this sentence, Shakespeare and Switzerland, though proper nouns, are used as a common noun. Look at these two sentences, this one and this one. In these two sentences, this Shakespeare and Switzerland, these two are what? Proper noun. But what happened? They are used as what? Common nouns over here. The third kind of noun is collective noun. Collective noun. Let us look at the definition. A collective noun is the name of a group or person, animals or things regarded as one whole or site unit. Listen carefully. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a group, a person, animals or thing, but they regarded as one whole or a unit. Understood? That means it may be a name of a group of person, or name of group of animals or name of group of things, but they are counted as a what? Single unit. They are counted as what? A single unit. Let us go look at some of the example. A class of pupils. That means it is not one, it is a group of student. It is a group of student. Next, a host of angels. That means a group of angels. It is what? Collective noun. Next, a flight of birds. That means a group of birds. A herd of cattle. That means a group of cattle or domestic animals. A bunch of keys. That means a group of keys or many keys. A team of players. Next, a crew of sailors. That means what? A group of people. Those are sailing. Next, a board of director. So what happened? These all are what? It is taken as a collectively. What? Name of group of person, animals and things. That's why it is called what? Collective noun. It is called what? Collective noun. The fourth kind is material noun. Fourth kind is material noun. So what is a material noun? Look at the definition. A material noun is the name of a substance of which things can be made. What is material noun? It is the name of a substance. That means name of a thing out of which we can make something. Out of which we can make something. Let us look at some example. The altar in the temple was made of wood. The altar in the temple was made of wood. So in this sentence, the wood is what? Material noun. That means it is a substance or it is a thing. Out of wood, we can make many things. We can make chair, we can make table, we can make what? Sofa, we can make door, many things. That means what is material noun? It is a substance out of which we can make something. Next, the calf Israel worship was made of gold. In this sentence, what happened? Gold is material noun. That means from gold we can make finger ring, we can make earring, we can make necklace, many things. Understood? So it is a material noun. Which one? Gold. That means out of which we can make something. But if I say okay, finger ring, it is not what? Material noun. It is not material noun. But when it's a gold, out of gold we can make anything. So gold is a material noun. Moses lifted up the snake made of brass. In this sentence, brass is material noun. Next, my grandpa has lost of silver coins. Here what happened? Silver is material. Out of silver we can make anything. So hope all of you understood. What is material noun? That means a material noun is the name of a substance or thing out of which we can make something or something can be made. The last one is what? Abstract noun. The fifth kind. That is called what? Abstract noun. So what is an abstract noun? Look at the definition. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, concept, general idea or state. Understood? What is an abstract noun? It is the name of a quality, action, concept, general idea or state. So let us discuss one by one. The first one, let's talk about name of a quality. Brightness has power to dispel darkness by itself. Here, brightness is the what? Quality. It has the quality. It is the name of a quality. So it is a abstract noun. He made darkness his canopy around him. In this sentence, darkness is what? Abstract noun. It is what? It is a quality. Oh my goodness. Here, goodness is a quality. Honesty is the best policy. In this sentence, it is a honesty is your quality, name of a quality. Wisdom is for the wise. Here, wisdom is for what? Wisdom is a quality or name of a quality. So understood? Abstract noun is the name of a quality. Next is abstract noun is the name of a action. How? Hatred stirs up dissensions. Here, hatred is what? An action or work. Ammon regarded her with intense hatred. Here also what happened? Hatred is an action. My son preserves sound judgment and discernment. Here, judgment is a action. Mercy triumphs over judgment. Here open again judgment. It is also an action. Laughter is foolish. What is laughter? Laughing. It is also an action. Running makes a man strong, whereas reading makes a man wise. Here, running and reading. These two are action. It is what? It is the name of a action. So it is an abstract noun. Next, concept or general idea. Name of a concept or name of a general idea. A person who can command himself has real freedom. Here what happened? Freedom is what? A concept. Next, justice is blind, it's not nobody. It is what? Here justice is general idea. Your faith has healed you. Take your bed and walk, said her to the lamb. Said he to the lamb. Here what happened? Faith. Faith is a name of a concept, so it is also an abstract noun. Next is state or condition, situation. His boyhood days saw no pleasure. Here what happened? Boyhood is a state or condition, that means childhood. Sleep troubles him in the class. What happened? Sleep is what? Name of a situation or condition. Next, there is no brotherhood of man without fatherhood of God. Here, brotherhood and fatherhood are two state or two situation and condition. Name of situation and condition. Poverty shortens the life of a man. Here, poverty is a state or the condition or name of a state or condition. Next, note. This noun cannot be seen or touched, but we can only think of it. That means this abstract noun we can't see or we can't touch, only we can think of it. Some familiar abstract nouns are given below. Example: kindness, whiteness, hardness, bravery, theft, movement, childhood, youth, slavery, death, health, hope, courage, pity, joy, pain, sickness, happiness, strength, truth, innocence, freedom, invitation, punishment, etc. So these are the some of the familiar abstract noun. So hope all of you understand about what is nouns and different types of nouns. So let us do the recap. What is noun? A noun names a person, place or thing. Next we will learn kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of noun. What are that? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So what is proper noun? A proper noun is the particular or official name of a particular or specific person, place or thing. Next we will learn common noun. What is common noun? A common noun refers to a general category. Next is what? Collective noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a group or person, animals or thing regarded as one whole or a single unit. Next we'll learn material noun. What is material noun? A material noun is the name of a substance of which things can be made. And the last one is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, concept, general idea or state. So I hope you understood better what is noun and what are the different or these 5 kinds of noun. Next class we are going to learn about the noun gender.